Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Dave Nussbaum as people make plans for tomorrow's wintry weather mix, Dave.
Well, Sherry, for us here in the metro Birmingham area, going to be just a cold rain out there. So just be prepared for that. However, our friends and family to the north, they're going to be dealing with rain, maybe changing over to some snow. So they may actually see a little bit of accumulation snow. Then all of us on Thursday and Friday are going to be dealing with the Arctic blast. We're talking wind chill numbers around 5 to 10 degrees, very frigid conditions out there and dangerously cold weather. Right now, far from dangerous out there. A few high clouds from our BJCC camera. It's 58 degrees. And the dew point 22, still a lot of dry air in place here, but we're watching our system developing out here to the west here, moving through parts there of central Texas, bringing them a little bit of some rain. And look at all the snow here to the north. This is going to become a major snowstorm north of Alabama, but it will just clip the northern part of the state here. As the system dives its way down into the Gulf of Mexico, we'll see a lot of rain here, but you notice all that snow that went by to the north there. That's going to be causing big problems from Nashville and points to the north. So for us here, we're looking at roughly 11 p.m. tonight through about 9 a.m. tomorrow. That's when we'll start to see some of this rain coming in, and then overnight mixing with some snow across North Alabama, where they could have a few travel issues out there as well too. So we do again have a cold rain here in Birmingham. But you get up here north of a line from Fayette, Jasper, and Gadsden area around Highway 278. That's we could see this changing over to some sleet, freezing rain and snow mix, maybe accumulation around 1/2 inch. And then you get farther north, likely mostly snow up here in Huntsville and sleet. 1/2 inch to 1.5 inches is going to be possible over the northern part of the state. So here's how it times out with Futurecast this evening. Looking fine. You have anything to do tonight? No problems out there through 11 o'clock. Things are pretty dry. There you see the rain coming in overnight into early tomorrow morning. We'll stop it at 3 o'clock in the morning. We're at 40 here to Tuscaloosa, well above freezing, just a cold rain. But notice it's 32 from Coleman back to Double Springs, 31 there in Hamilton. There's Highway 278. That is where we could see that mix going on there. Some sleet and snow, maybe freezing rain. That'll continue through 6 a.m. as temperatures fall to the upper 20s to around 30 degrees. Possibly Jasper and Fayette. Again, maybe a little bit of a mix for you. Notice we're still 36 here. It's close to freezing, but well above. So we're staying with some all rain. Now, as the morning progresses here, temperatures start to climb up a little bit, above freezing to the north in Coleman. And then as we go through the afternoon hours, may have a few snow flurries out here, but temperatures will start to dive as we head into Wednesday night into Thursday morning. That is that Arctic blast heading its way on into the deep south. And we're going to see this as we go throughout Thursday and throughout the day on Friday. So here's what we're talking about with that. You need to be weather aware because we're talking low temperatures, 10 to 20 degrees each night, wind chill 5 to 15 degrees, and potentially throughout the day on Thursday, most of us may stay below freezing for the better part of the day, and that is some pipe bursting cold weather out there. So Thursday morning, this is the wind chill, single digits to low teens across the area. Very cold out there to start your Thursday, and by Friday morning, more the same, about 5 to 12 degrees out there will be that wind chill. Fortunately, it doesn't last very long. As we head to the weekend, it starts cold Saturday morning. 50s are back. And how about 60s and near 70 degrees as we head into Monday and Tuesday of next week. So definitely watch out tomorrow morning, though, especially if you're trying to travel to North Alabama.